Hello everyone. Now I'm showing you how you will use your airdrop in your MacBook Air. So let's start it. So in your left upper corner of your MacBook Air, you can see the Apple icon, Finder, File, Edit, etc. So we have to tick File, and we have to select New Finder window. We take it. So here we go. So in this file, we have to select airdrop. So here we go. So it says here, allow me to be discovered by contacts only. So most MacBook Air, it's default in MacBook Air, contacts only. So we have to tick this arrow. So there's a selections, no one, contacts only, everyone. So we have to tick everyone. So I choose everyone. So we'll try to send a photo on this. Okay, we'll try it. So it's there. So it says here, open in photos, decline, accept. Of course, either we have to open in photos or accept, but I have to accept it. Okay, I will accept. So there, guys. So it's there. So we're done. Very easy. So if you think that this video helped you a lot, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.